In this video, I'll show you how to create a paper trading account on TradingView. First, sign into your TradingView account and open any chart. Once you're on the chart page, look for the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. If the panel is collapsed, click Trading Panel to expand it and view the available trading connections. Next, scroll through the list of supported brokers until you find Paper Trading by TradingView. Click Connect, then confirm the connection when prompted. TradingView will automatically create a simulated trading account with virtual funds, allowing you to practice trading without risking real money. After that, review your paper trading account details, including your virtual account balance, buying power, and current positions. If you'd like to start with a different amount of virtual cash, open the Paper Trading Account menu and choose the option to Reset Paper Trading Account. This lets you restart your practice account whenever you want. Now, place your first practice trade by clicking the Buy or Sell button on the chart or through the trading panel. Enter the order quantity, choose the order type, review the order details, and submit the trade. Once the order is executed, you'll be able to monitor your positions, profit and loss, order history, and account balance directly from the trading panel. Finally, continue using your paper trading account to test different strategies, indicators, and risk management techniques before trading with real funds. Since all trades are simulated, it's a great way to become familiar with TradingView's trading features and build confidence in your trading decisions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a paper trading account on TradingView. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.